two, one. Hey guys, what is up? It is the Golden Apple here, also known as Louise, and I and I am joined with Elisa. Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I am going to be drawing animals today. Yay, animals! I like animals. So let's draw an A, N, I, M, A.
Still going.
Yep. L and S. Oh my god. At least you need to watch this video later. Jeez. Animals! Yay! That's so bad. Anyway. I'm just going to do this. No, I'm going to do this. Wait. Oh no! Right. Animals. It's a bit darker, but oh well. Right. Let's do a dog.
Okay.
Okay then. A doggy.
Boogie woogie.
Woof woof. Doggy woogie. It's a doggy.
Boogie woogie. Woogie woogie.
So yes guys, it is Elisa with me. Hasn't been on one of my videos yet. This is first time being on one of my videos.
Yeah.
Oh, the dog's so cute. What? I don't even know no more. Elisa, have you got any card? Okay, oh my god guys. This dog is like, you want some? Give it ya. Oh look, this is the shiny part of its nose. Oh, it's so cute. There's a white bit of its eyes. Let's do it blue eyes, shall we? Okay. There's my dog guys. Let's do a ginger cat, shall we? Woo!
No.
By the way, Elisa,
Yeah.
your singing's gonna be on YouTube if you sing.
No.
This is such a bad cat. Meow.
Calm down, Louise. Alright, calm down.
Sorry, but it doesn't even look like a cat. What the hell? You guys, I've got so many, I've got quite a few views on my Minecraft and Christmas one. So I decided to do another one because obviously you guys like it. Like these videos, so yeah.
Yeah.
I'll do another one for you. Because I'm such a nice YouTuber. Kind of. Elisa, your brother's going to be on YouTube as well, you know.
No way. Oh. He's so annoying.
Yeah. Let's do little blue eyes as well. Oh, so cute. Ah, it's cute in a way. just hear what he said.
He said it to my sister.
Oh, okay. Oh, I just heard what
He's
he's.
gonna put me on YouTube. That's what he said.
Well, only if I see your face. Well, it's not really going to be on your face. Like, they can't see my face and they can't see your face, so it's fine.
Oh.
Because look. That's recording. Right there. Sorry guys, I just had to show Elisa what I was actually doing. So yeah. Oh, there's sort of a cat.
I'm a dog.
Yeah. Okay, right, let's do what other animal? Let's do an elephant.
Right, it's right.
Alright guys, we're gonna do an elephant. Oh my god guys, this is gonna be such a bad elephant. I'm sorry for the laughing, it is Elisa, not me. Oh! I did the wrong one. Okay, right.
She can hear you. Honey, sleeping over Louise. And it's called all of that. No, she isn't. Honey, sleeping over Louise.
When? Oh, I didn't know about this. When is she sleeping around mine?
I don't know. Shut up! Oh my god.
How is Hallie sleeping around mine? I don't even know. Oh, did it wrong, did it wrong! No! No, still doing it in black. What? Right, let's do white for the pup. Blah, blah. This bit, guys. Blah, blah. Close up of what you eat in there. God, calm down.
I'm eating orange.
I know, but I can see inside your mouth there just for a minute. Okay. Let's do green eyes for the elephant. I'm not even sure.
Louise, just shut up.
Oh no, I have to talk to YouTube in some way. Like this.
Yeah, but not in a disgusting way.
Stop doing close-ups. It's weird. Okay, guys. Well, this is the mouth. This is the mouth. This is the tongue. Elisa, you should see it. Oh my god. Got to. Oh my. Elisa, look at my elephant.
Oh, good.
Okay, guys. Well, this was the animals thing drawing, and this one was just a bit weird. Comment down below what I should draw next. So yeah, bye. Say bye, Elisa.
Bye.
Say bye. Say bye. Like and subscribe. Bye.